1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Cloudy sky soon passes by.
No more rain, sun rises high.
Feeling sad,
It's not so bad.
soon you'll smile and feel so glad.
We can do it if we try. La 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 la, jumping up so high. Gifts we share,
To show we care.
a present for our friends so rare. We can do it if we try. La 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 la, jumping up so high.
La 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 la. Oh. Oh. It's a baby duck. What are you doing here all by yourself, little duckling? Are you lost? Oh no, you are lost. Don't cry, little duckling. I'll help you find your way home. Hi, Mogu.
Hi, Mofy. Who's this little guy?
He's a baby duck, and he's lost. I'm looking for his family.
His family probably lives by the pond. There are lots of duck families who live there.
Lots? But how will we know which one is his?
Oh, he'll know, Mofy. Don't worry.
You know so much about nature, Mogu. Thank you. Let's go, little duckling. We have to go to the pond to find your family. See the pond, little duckling? Your family must live down there. La 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 la. Excuse me, Mrs. Duck. Are you missing one of your babies by any chance?
Oh, I sure hope not. Quick, go count your brothers and sisters. Nope, I've got all my babies.
Okay. Thanks anyway, Mrs. Duck. Don't worry, little duckling. We'll find your family. I promise. The question is, where? Maybe we should look on the other side. What do you think? Wonderful. Let's go. Poor thing. It's okay, little duckling. You'll be all right. Come on, let's sing. Singing a happy tune makes troubles go away. Singing a happy tune cheers up a gloomy day. Singing a happy tune makes gray skies turn to blue. 'Cause I always sing a happy tune when I'm singing with you. Look, here's another duck family. I'm sorry to disturb you, Mrs. Duck. This baby duckling is lost, and I'm trying to find his family. Is he yours?
No. This little duckling isn't one of mine. But I think I know his mother. She lives on the other side of that pond.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Duck. Quick, little duckling, let's go. Listen, I think your mother is over there. Let's swim across. Hey, wait! Don't swim so fast.
Quack, quack.
It is your mother. I knew it.
Thank you for finding my little duckling. We were so worried.
Oh, you're welcome. Oh, I'm happy too, little duckling. You're finally back with your family. That means it's time for us to say goodbye. Yes, it makes me a little sad too. Goodbye, little duckling.
You seem sad, Mofy.
I am a little sad. I found a lost duckling, and I helped him find his way home, and I miss him.
It must have been hard to say goodbye. Sometimes doing the right thing isn't what you want to do, but it's still the right thing to do.
I know that now. And you know what? That makes me feel much, much better.